I see a lady over here. I'm gonna tell her she looks just like Blondedy Ferdinand. All right, let's go. How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
I'm blessed. Hey, you look somebody that I know, like a superstar in my country.
Really?
For real.
That's crazy.
Her name is Blondedy
When I
Ferdinand.
had my teeth, I look a little better.
Oh, for real? Her name is Blondedy Ferdinand.
Really?
For real, yeah.
That's crazy. What
It's-
country?
Haiti.
Really?
Yeah, definitely, yeah. You heard about
What
Haiti,
are you
right?
doing here?
No,
it's
you know.
just bad there or what?
No, you know. We hanging over here. I got my family over here, so.
Oh,
you know.
really?
Yeah.
That's, yeah, I know Haiti. I mean, I've heard about Haiti.
You heard about
Only
Haiti, right?
because of the earthquakes. You
Yeah,
guys
yeah.
have really bad earthquakes. That's about all I know about.
Oh, okay. All right. So it's in the
Yeah.
Caribbean. Yeah, it's a country that in the Caribbean. But you look like Blondedy Ferdinand.
That's crazy.
Yeah, definitely. Can I please take a video with you or a picture? Say hi to her.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let me see. All right. It's all right. Hey, hi, sweet people. Could you say sac passé? Sac
what?
passé, that means what's up in Haiti.
Say what?
Sac passé.
Sac passé?
Sac passé means what's
Sac
up.
passé.
Sac passé Blondine.
Sac passé. I went on her name.
Her name is Blondedy Ferdinand.
Blondie?
Yeah, Blondedy Ferdinand.
Blondie Ferdinand.
Yeah, sac passé means
I
what's
can't
up.
say all that.
Oh yeah, okay. Blondedy Ferdinand. That's her name.
Blondie Ferdinand.
Yeah. But you could say sac passé. Sac passé means what's up in my country.
Sac passé.
Yeah, sac passé Blondedy Ferdinand.
Sac passé. Blondie
Ferdinand.
Ferdinand.
There you go.
Well,
Thanks for
that's
that
crazy.
picture. Yeah, it is.
That's
I really
totally
appreciate it.
nuts.
Do you mind to put it on social media that she could see it? That, you don't mind? All right. Appreciate it. What's your name?
Angie.
Angie. I'm Supa Boi. Thanks for that.
Nice
Appreciate it.
meeting ya.
Nice meeting you too.